thatha lento ayinamngozi uyosendela amalinki kuze kube nini awukahle namalinki thatha lento asiqale once upon a time there was a friend umngani wethu sonke ngoba sonke sinaye lo mngani sizombiza ngoSki ski ski understand ukuthi uSki wayethanda imusic and uSki one day decide ukuthi nope I am inspired and so wahamba studio sakhe and started creating ingoma yakhe entsha sha. Once he was done ukwenza ingoma, once he recorded the song and mastered the song, wabe sedonsa i-laptop wa-upload ingoma yakhe online. After that, he took ifoni yakhe wagijima. He ran and ran. Omunye umuntu uzoyibuza ukuthi ugijima uyaphi nje uski ski ski uyotshengisa abangani bakhe ingoma yakhe entsha sha because he feels ukuthi le ayenzile is the one. At that time abangani bakhe were just relaxing beyiphuzela ijuice beyidlela ama-chips and they were talking base beqalaza babona ukuthi umngani wabo lo uski ski ski and uyaqhamuka manje usho nge-run so they knew ukuthi no nango-ke futhi again usezobaxina ngamalinki. Lalelani ingoma yami ngizoni-hotspot-a nayi ilinki ngiyayithumela ngo-WhatsApp nayi ilinki ngiyayithumela ngo-Facebook. Awukahle ngamalinki awukahle ilinki yani sasavelelwa ilinki yani yazenze njani. Lalela ngena ku-Google yezwa ngena ku-Chrome or whatever browser oyisebenzisayo bhala ukuthi DistroKid uscroll down. This is the first option ezovela upresse laphaya ku-DistroKid. Omunye umuntu uzoyibuza ukuthi yini u-DistroKid. Understand ukuthi u-DistroKid uzosiza wena to distribute i-music yakho everywhere throughout umhlaba wonke. That means sizokuthola ku-Spotify, Apple Music, sizokuthola ka-TikTok, sizokuthola ka-Instagram, ka-Facebook. You have unlimited release music. Shothi ungakhipha namhlanje ukhiphe kusasa ukhiphe nangakusasa and you get to keep yonke ihemxe yakho. Manje lento isebenza kanjani? Understand ukuthi first you have to select i-membership e-right for wena ngoba wena uzaziyo ukuthi ufuna into enjani or u-afforda into enjani. After that you will then select iy'ngoma zakho kusho ukuthi uzo-upload i-album.